The deadline for foreign POGO workers to leave the country voluntarily lapsed 2 weeks ago. Tens of thousands have paid heed and left, while thousands have opted to stay and go under the radar. PTV's Ryan Lisigas fills us in with the rest.
The Department of the Interior and Local Government assured all local chief executives who dare arbor and allow POG operations in their areas will be held accountable. According to DILG Secretary Junvic Rimulya, they have started monitoring areas, particularly subdivisions, with reports of guerrilla operations by shuttered POG establishments in the country. In fact, just last week, hundreds of suspected POG workers were arrested in Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. These workers were not only operating illegally, but were also engaged in scamming activities. Authorities raided the area after the Bureau of Immigration's Intelligence Unit received information about scamming operations targeting victims from other countries.
Nag-umpisa na kami last Wednesday, exactly a week ago. Nakahuli kami ng 400.
Yeah, it's Parañaque.
Sa Parañaque, sa Tambo, Parañaque, sa Pearl Plaza, if I'm not mistaken. So nag-umpisa na yun. Ang inuhuli namin ngayon, yung mga guerrilla operations sa loob ng mga subdivision. Sa Cavite, may na-investigate kaming 2 subdivision na may reports na parang labas-pasok yung mga foreigners at maraming tao sa isang bahay. So, titignan namin ngayon yan.
Following this, Rimulya ordered all local chief executives to closely monitor and scrutinize their areas to prevent illegal POGO operations.
Siyempre, habang kaya ng makatakas, susubukan nila yan eh. They will always try. Nature natin yan eh. Diba? They will push and probe hanggang saan nila kaya. Pero kung makita nilang unprofitable na ang enterprise nila sa Pilipinas, aalis yan.
The DILG warned any LG official found allowing their area to become a haven for POGO operations will be held liable.
Well, it's in their interest na matanggal yan eh. Kasi kung may POGO ka, may crime.
Yes.
Kung may POGO ka, may kidnapping. Kung may POGO ka, may torture. And it will look bad in the local chief executive's portfolio kung mahulihan sila na may POGO doon sa kanila.
The Bureau of Immigration had earlier warned that even companies may face charges and be held accountable if proven to aid and abet foreigners in staying in the country. Currently, around 11,000 illegal aliens who were former POGO workers in the country are being sought. Before the end of 2024, the DILG announced there will be no more POGO operations in the country from here on, in line with the ultimatum given by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. From PTV Manila, Ryan Lisigas, Balitang Pambansa.